Beautiful crochet or stylish handbags. Design often invaluable. Unique texture, color and embellishment. Here are some ideas for creating stylish crochet handbags. And use a charm one stitches with the vibrant color for a trendy eye-catching look. Combine different stitches, French and beads for a bohemian inspired design. Transition between shadows of a single color for a subtle and stylish gradient effect. Crochet a lacy overlay on top of a solid base for an elegant and delicate appearance. So I hope you like my video, and please guys, please keep sharing and watching my video and see this video till the end, and mention me comment section for your feedback and response. And here are some ideas relate handbags crochet pattern. So I hope you like it. Please keep sharing and watching my video. See this video till the end. Mention me comment section for your feedback. Remember, the choice of yarn and color palette can influence the overall style of your handbags. Do not be afraid to mix and match different elements to create a unique and stylish crochet handbags that suit your personal taste. Here are some creative crochet handbags ideas to inspire your next project. And latest crochet handbags patch work. So I hope you like it. So later and styles, designs, ideas. Please guys, keep sharing.